Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Each part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. The different parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In this video, we will learn about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows direction, location, time, or introduces an object. Prepositions are often short words that are usually followed by an object. The object can be a noun phrase, or a pronoun. An example of a noun is a house. An example of a noun phrase is the door. An example of a pronoun is you. Some examples of prepositions are at, in, on, by, for, from, to, with, until. There are many other examples of prepositions. She walks to school. The preposition in this sentence is to. This is an example of a preposition showing direction. He stood by the door. The preposition in this sentence is by. This is an example of a preposition showing location. They arrived home at midnight. The preposition in this sentence is at. This is an example of a preposition showing time. There is a bag of bananas. The preposition in this sentence is of. This is an example of a preposition introducing an object. Kim runs in the morning. As previously mentioned, prepositions are often short words that are followed by an object. The object can be a noun phrase, or a pronoun. We can refer to these as prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases modify or describe nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, and adjectives. They tell us about the relationship between their object and the word they modify or describe. In this example, the prepositional phrase is in the morning, and it modifies the verb runs. So it tells us when Kim runs. We can identify the prepositional phrases in the previous examples too. She walks to school. The prepositional phrase is to school. He stood by the door. The prepositional phrase is by the door. They arrived home at midnight. The prepositional phrase is at midnight. There is a bag of bananas. The prepositional phrase is of bananas. Now let's look at examples of prepositions in sentences. Tom will be here in an hour. The preposition in this sentence is in. It shows the time. The apple is on the table. The preposition in this sentence is on. It shows the location. She sent a letter to me. The preposition in this sentence is to because it shows direction. Now you try. Read the sentence and identify the preposition. Taylor bought a gift for his friend. The preposition in this sentence is for. I ate the pasta with a fork. The preposition in this sentence is with. The cat hid behind the tree. The preposition in this sentence is behind. Running across the road is dangerous. The preposition in this sentence is across. The students listened during the class. The preposition in this sentence is during. He lives near his workplace. The preposition in this sentence is near. The brown dog is under the table. The preposition in this sentence is under. I received the letter from my friend. The preposition in this sentence is from.